There may be a lot of developments with the army or the PTI chief, but the fact is, on the ground, it's not looking good for Pakistan. Whether it's Islamabad, Lahore or even Peshawar, there is violence, mayhem, arson that's broken out. Exotic birds are being stolen, food is being stolen. This, remember, is apart from the economic chaos that Pakistan is facing, now a political chaos as well. I want you to take a look at this detailed report.
Arson, violence, vandalism. Pakistan is burning after Imran Khan's arrest. A nation already facing an unprecedented economic crisis is now facing the wrath of its own citizens. Imran Khan's supporters have gone to war with the country's army. 3 days after violent protests began, angry mobs are showing no signs of returning. Enraged protesters are vandalizing army installations. The historic Jinnah House in Lahore's cantonment area was set on fire.
School commander office ko jo
Even personal properties of former and current army officials are under attack.
There was a Audi showroom which was burned down to ashes by the violent protesters. Right now, I am trying to get into this facility, and this showroom, you can see that the whole of the showroom was vandalized by the workers. All of the glasses, they are like totally broken down.
The bankrupt nation, suffering from severe grain shortage, saw protesters stealing food from the Army Corps Commander's house that they stormed on Tuesday.
ये क्या है? आप उनका कोरमा ले आए?
The establishment is gunning for the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf. Two of Imran's loyalists, Shah Mahmood Qureshi and Fawad Chaudhry, have been arrested. The PTI, on the other hand, is taking its fight global. From the US to UK to Denmark, Imran's supporters are taking out protest rallies against the Pakistan army. Pakistan is on a critical crossroad. Will Imran be able to foil his former benefactor, the army, or will he be forced to sit out of the elections when they happen? Bureau Report, India Today.
So let's get our perspective now from the ground. Joining me from Islamabad this morning is a senior journalist, Hamza Amir, with the latest on that. Good morning, Hamza. What does the situation look like? Because from where I am, it doesn't look good at all in different parts of Pakistan. Plus, there are churnings in the army also now. Do tell us the past 24 hours in Pakistan, Hamza.
Well, yes, the situation is sensitive at the moment. The kind of situation we saw, the chaos we saw in the past 48 hours is certainly something that has now put a more critical, sensitive and threatening calm around Pakistan. Only for the fact that Imran Khan has on one side gotten a relief from the Supreme Court, who have said that Imran Khan's arrest from the Islamabad High Court was termed as illegal and unlawful. However, the cases against him are not over, and he still is under the custody of the police authorities in a sub-jail at the police lines headquarters guest house. And today at 11 o'clock, Imran Khan is supposed to appear before the Islamabad High Court. And however, even though if he gets a bail in that regard, the government, yesterday, the Interior Minister has maintained that they are going to make sure that Imran Khan is not allowed to walk free because he has cases against him, and in the recent riots as well, he is someone who was also the one who incited people to attack and target military installations. So that is something that is going to become more critical and sensitive in the coming hours, because if Imran Khan is arrested again, this time outside of the Islamabad High Court premises,
Yes.
then the arrest would be legal, and at the same time he would stay in custody. And his people, his supporters who have shown their violence and anger in the past 48 hours,
Yes.
wreaking absolute havoc across Pakistan, they might come out back again. And if that so happens, Pakistan, the security situation is going to go from
Absolutely.
bad to worse. So it is basically a
What
threatening
about
calm
the
today
army,
in the morning
Hamza?
in
Because we are
Pakistan.
getting to hear some chatter that Lieutenant General Shah will be taking over, that Lieutenant General Ghani of the Corps Commander of Lahore has been shunted out. Any clarity on that yet?
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you. Can you
Is
repeat
there
the question, please?
any clarification on confirmation on the army reshuffle that's taking place? The Corps Commander house that was vandalized, after that we are being told that there are churnings in the army. Anything on that front? All right. Hamza Amir with the latest on that. Hamza, I appreciate for giving us the latest information coming in. Hamza Amir currently in Pakistan telling us the 48 hours have been very sensitive, but it's a developing story. If Imran Khan gets arrested again, could there be mayhem again on the streets in different parts of Pakistan? Thank you so much, Hamza, and we'll be tracking the latest on that.